When it comes to creating a beautiful and inspiring garden, many people often believe that a significant budget is necessary to achieve stunning results. But in truth, some of the most charming, soulful, and unforgettable outdoor spaces are those crafted not from expensive store-bought decor, but from forgotten wooden scraps and recycled materials that others may see as waste. The concept of zero-budget outdoor garden decor invites us to look at our environment with fresh eyes, to see potential where most people see leftovers, and to unlock creativity that transforms simple, discarded materials into meaningful design elements that add charm, personality, and sustainability to our gardens. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of zero-budget garden decor ideas by Transform Forgotten Wood into stunning outdoor treasures. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Imagine walking into a garden where every decorative item has a story, where every corner reflects a balance between creativity and eco-consciousness, where instead of manufactured perfection, there is authenticity crafted from forgotten wood, repurposed metal, worn-out pallets, and other reclaimed elements that once had no value, but now take on a new life as functional and decorative treasures. This approach not only saves money, but also fosters a deep sense of fulfillment, as the very act of recycling and reimagining old materials aligns with sustainable living values while giving your garden a one-of-a-kind character that no mass-produced decor can replicate. Think about old wooden planks that once formed part of a crate, pallet, or broken furniture piece. Rather than being discarded or left to rot, they can be reimagined into rustic planters, garden edging, or vertical shelves that showcase your favorite flowers and herbs. A weathered branch, when given attention and shaped with creativity, becomes a hanging decor piece, a plant holder, or even a trellis for climbing plants to wind their way around. These repurposed elements not only serve a practical purpose, but also carry an aesthetic appeal that connects directly to the natural world, complementing the organic growth of plants with textures and tones that reflect time, history, and transformation. The beauty of such decor is that it does not strive for uniformity or perfection, but instead celebrates imperfections, knots, cracks, and aged patinas that bring warmth and personality to every piece. Unlike store-bought garden ornaments, each item in a zero-budget outdoor space tells a story of ingenuity and care, of valuing what others overlook, and of finding joy in transformation. The emotional connection that comes with creating garden decor from forgotten wood and recycled materials is just as valuable as the aesthetic results. There is something profoundly rewarding about looking at your garden and knowing that you crafted its beauty with your own hands, using nothing more than imagination, determination, and materials that were once discarded. It turns gardening into an act of storytelling, where your decor becomes a physical representation of creativity meeting resourcefulness. For example, a stack of old timber arranged thoughtfully becomes a cozy garden bench, while leftover planks can be carved into decorative signs that welcome visitors or label plants in style. Recycled jars and bottles can be adorned with wooden frames or mounted onto reclaimed pallets to become charming lanterns or unique hanging vases. Even old tools or hardware, when combined with wood, can be transformed into conversation pieces that guests admire not only for their visual impact, but for the ingenuity behind them. This practice also empowers individuals who may feel limited by their budget, but long for a space that reflects beauty and personal touch. Many homeowners believe that creating a visually captivating garden is out of reach without investing in expensive decor items. Yet the reality is that some of the most enchanting spaces are born from creative reuse. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video? If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Zero-budget outdoor decor proves that limitations can actually be opportunities, pushing us to think differently, to see beauty where others do not, and to discover the endless versatility of materials we already have access to. By working with forgotten wood and recycled elements, you begin to realize that the possibilities are as expansive as your imagination. Each piece you design is entirely unique, carrying a handmade authenticity that cannot be replicated by store shelves. Moreover, the rise in eco-consciousness and sustainable living trends makes zero-budget garden decor not only a personal joy, but also a reflection of broader values that resonate with today's world. Buyers, neighbors, and even casual visitors are drawn to spaces that embody authenticity and sustainability, and a garden adorned with recycled creations speaks directly to these desires. It showcases a commitment to reducing waste, to honoring natural resources, and to living in harmony with the environment, all while creating a space that is deeply inviting and uniquely yours. This is why recycled garden decor has such strong appeal. It is beautiful not only in form, but in meaning, embodying principles that modern society is increasingly cherishing. What makes this journey especially fulfilling is the transformative nature of working with reclaimed wood and recycled materials. You begin to see potential everywhere, in a pile of broken furniture, in leftover construction scraps, even in fallen branches after a storm. The act of giving these items a new purpose feels almost magical, as you take what others might dismiss as useless and turn it into something functional, beautiful, and admired. Over time, this mindset extends beyond the garden and into everyday life, encouraging you to see value in unexpected places, to live more sustainably, and to embrace the creativity that comes from working within limits. What begins as a simple zero-budget project soon grows into a lifestyle, where every creation carries both personal and environmental meaning. Ultimately, creating zero-budget outdoor garden decor from forgotten wood and recycled materials is about much more than decorating. It is about storytelling, sustainability, and the joy of transformation. It is about realizing that you do not need a large budget to craft beauty, but instead, you need a willingness to look differently at the resources around you. Each planter, each decorative piece, each reused element in your garden becomes a small but powerful reminder that beauty and function can emerge from simplicity, and that sustainability can coexist with creativity. The garden you create through this process will not just be a place of plants and flowers, but a living, breathing canvas that embodies your imagination, resourcefulness, and respect for the environment. It will inspire not only you but also anyone who steps into it, showing that even with zero budget, you can create a space full of warmth, authenticity, and timeless charm, all from materials that others once overlooked or discarded. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked zero-budget garden decor ideas by Transform Forgotten Wood into stunning outdoor treasures. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.